Hi guys! We are back!
At tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.
Hi, Rizia. Itago mo na lang ako sa pangalang Angelo. Tagaming ka na. At ito, ang aking farm.
Hi guys, we're eating
Hi guys!
our first meal. Chowking.
Our first meal of the Baguio trip.
Paano mo binuksan? Tahimik ah.
Pinanood ka namin magtapon.
Natapon natin yung mga natapos. We're not.
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
I'm looking. If you want to
Hi
read,
guys!
Morning.
how about you? I've been, call me baby. I know it's kinda crazy. If you down for me, let's be so shy. Just
Tapa, Erika
keep
Miguel,
me waiting. Yeah,
tapos,
when you're dreaming of.
Bye!
Every day I'm thinking of you. Oh, you, oh, yeah. Got me feeling lucky. Come my way, you lovely. Oh, I've been waiting for you for a while. I've been waiting for you. What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? Yeah. What's the word? I've been waiting for you.
Strawberry ube original taho. Mamimili ko kayo ng flavor.
Ready mix.
Ready mix?
Ready mix. Ready mix.
Strawberry ube or remix.
Remix daw.
Remix strawberry.
Strawberry lang po. Ayaw po ng remix.
Okay dyan mo mag-remix.
Sino pa?
Bria, ikaw, gusto mo ube diba?
Ayos, galing.
Strawberry. Gusto mo pang strawberry?
Ikaw ma'am, ube?
Pinadami niya yung customer niya.
Doon talaga. Ano, 50 ano? Sarap. Galing. Libre pala ako eh.
Ay, may trabaho kasi yan.
Oo,
Ngayong una ko
kasi yan.
Nagtatayo pa kasi ng business yung
Nagtatayo
isa.
pa lang.
Oh, sarap kasama ate.
Di ba naka-ROI? Negative pa, negative daw, negative. Sarap. Sarap. Akin na.
Natural na natural.
Guys. Strawberry taho.
Ube. Taste test. Lasang ube.
Lasang taho.
Lasang I love you.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed I still haven't washed the sheets. I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head. How the hell
Ano ba ako
am I
dito?
supposed to see?
Baguio pa tayo para mag-cellphone.
Okay nga dito. Hindi nababasa eh. Hindi ko maanggi.
Hindi ka
From her face, I wish I hadn't met her. I wish I didn't wanna stay. I wanna wear her sweater and not break down in my room. Cause there's nothing sweeter than the bitter taste of you.
Tapos, gas natin. Guys, ito na yung naging result.
Food coma.
The fruit. Ito may initer ako.
Ikaw kumakain ng dulo. Ay, hindi mo din kinakain yung dulo.
Yung pizza ko sa
Ay, yung kamali.
Sinagaan Sarah?
Ayaw
Hindi
nga.
ako makakain ng gulay.
Sarah ko. Buti
Ako napigilan.
Yung tissue niya nandun na. Tapos inusad niya lang.
Baka may matigas na naman sa
Hindi natago pa ang Chara. Ba't di mo sinasabay din sa big potato? Maasin kasi. Ginawa niya dessert ko. Sige ba? Suot mo. Bakit ang shades mo?
Pirate! You're pirate! Uy, naghihintay yung ano, guys. May kumuha ka ba?
Natawag na tayo ng bundok.
Eyo! Eyo!
Ha? Akin na. Ito na.
Sir, bang candy mo po?
Thank you po.
Kawawa, Maria.
20 naman yun. Money is money.
Kaya nga.
What is money? Coins only.
Ano yun nila? Okay.
Tinatawag na ako ng banyo. Hey! Maganda dyan. Maingi dyan eh.
Sige.
Ito din. Sikat din to. Chatok chak. Chatok chak.
Community yan.
Oo.
Sige.
Nakalimutan ko kung saan bansa yun eh.
Hi.
Ayun, ayun.
Bukas, magja-jogging tayo.
Ano paano ka magja-jogging ganito? Bilas.
Sayang. Gusto ko pa naman mag-jogging.
Jogging, samba.
Samba!
Horseback riding na lang.
Oh, yun. Sige. Game.
Ito na guys, ito na. Saan kaya yung ano dito?
Basement daw. Welcome guys! Welcome to our Airbnb BBB.
Yung sinalihan ko, alin dito?
Ito.
Gaano ka-OC ang pamilyang to? May dala kami water identifier.
Esther lang. Kasi dito sa lugar.
Tignan mo to.
Iman lamang top yan.
Ilan yung saan kanina?
160, 40. Below 100 dapat.
May...
Experiment. Upo.
Oh, loko, para top water.
143. Nakatap water to guys. Mga isang oras na kaming nandito. Isang oras na kami nagpaplanong lumabas.
Susi nito.
Diyan, nakasabi.
Susi ng Fortuner, dadali.
Hindi natin ito dadalhin.
Nandun sa bag.
Hindi natin ito dadalhin.
Hindi, baka mamaya may kukuhain kasi sa sasakyan.
Hindi natin ito dadalhin.
Pagbibit-bit ka,
Ay, hindi.
bibit-bit
Ayaw.
ka.
Bawal ipabitbit kay Kuya Simon.
Hindi nga.
Saksakay.
Kakaiba to.
Man, yung saksakan ron.
May kaka-carpal sa under mo. Ganyan sa New York, pero yung pinagkaiba, lalapitan ka talaga dun. Harami! Hawakan mo. meron. Ay! Si My Melody! Ayan, sa baba. Annyeong! Parang dapat tumawid. Sarap. Tawid ulit, tawid ulit. Uy! Ayos. Ayun na kung magiging You're too early. Mag-bike na lang tayo.
Oo. Saan ka mo mag-bike? Saan mag-bike? Ako, yakas mo ako.
Look! Ikaw mag-aangkas sa amin. Kuha tayo trike.
Uy,
Hi
sira yung
guys!
manibela ko.
Uy, mag-hi kayo! Hi kayo!
Hi! Hi! Ito, sira yung manibela ko.
Ay.
Ah, sige. Naka-pit stop pa kayo. Inaano pa yung...
Tara, sakay na sabi ka.
Okay, let's go!
Todo saray. Fidel. Teka. 1, 2, 3, go! Sige, ah. Okay, let's go.
Saan tayo? Parang natalakas ako. Uy, sila! Ayun.
Hey!
Okay.
Kapal na mo.
Ay, tayo.
Punta natin yung video.
Ah, susundan namin kayo ah. Wait, bitaw. Go, go, go.
Yes, mabilis pa rin ang naglalaan. Grabe.
Makakabalik kayong dalawa. Go! Kayanin natin.
Sige, galingan nyo.
Okay, kasi sa layo pa yung pagkakasin. Yeah, galing ka niya.
Diba, liko.
Ano? Nakabalik na sila. Andito pa rin kami. Pass the message. Nixie.
mo titingin yung camera.
Kaya ba? Yung diretso naman.
Yeah, shawty in my drop top. Yeah, we stick connected like a hot spot. That she really wanna run away. Yeah, let's just move away. Yeah, shawty in my drop top. Yeah, she stick connected like a hot spot. Said she wanna
Uy, dyan.
I'm falling in love. You're all I'm thinking of.
Hi!
Taking my time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay, holding me close, swear it's alright.
Wala, hindi ako bilo pa yun.
Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you.
Yun, mukhang maayos.
Parehas tayo.
Yun yung mukhang maayos.
Tell me everything
May food.
you know.
Pero anong pangalan na parang bar?
Taking my time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay, holding me close, swear it's alright. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you.
Jong.
Grown up, I did the dishes, cleaned my room, and played with toy soldiers and Hot Wheels cars. It was all fun, and I don't worry
isa na lang.
all the times I close my eyes and Missouri appears. Yeah, I
Buyers.
fish
For the
my way,
buyers.
pretend to be pioneers. Step by step, left and right. Play all day and play all night. We didn't know it yet, but we were in the best time of our lives. Step by step, left and right. Play all day and play all night. We didn't know it yet, but we were in the best time of our lives. Out in the open, holding on to this moment, and I told you no fear, you gotta let go.
Hi guys! Andito tayo ngayon sa Mirador Heritage Eco Park.
Galing.
Hi! Hi guys! So, ito yung view. Yan, the view of Baguio. Madami tayong pupuntahan na adventure today. At nagbayad lang naman kami ng 100 pesos para maikot namin buong Heritage Park na to.
And yung bayad naman is, for a cause because they keep this.
Yeah, yung bayad, para naman siyang donation dito sa Heritage Park. So, nag-enjoy ka na nga dito sa Eco Park. Tapos nakakatulong ka pa. Look at this line, guys. Oh, super haba.
Anong tawag niya?
I don't know. Bakit hindi wala akong nakikita, guys. Hindi, dumilim yung screen. Ang ganda! I want a picture. Maganda daw pag may drone, guys.
Galing. Yung andun. Hanggang Baguio. Happy birthday to you.
Anyway, kinakain.
Okay.
Ganun daw, tapos biglang ganun. Okay.
Nalipas to kayo.
Ganda ah.
Uy! Go, go, go. Uy, magiba mo.
Sabi pa lalaki.
Yeah, baby.
Hindi, yung
Sir.
I don't wanna be another savior on the internet.
Saan mo siya gusto niya ito yun?
And if you never hear another word from me again, just know it's part of the plan. I'm learning that my favorite audience for my
Wow,
artist.
hanapin mo.
Not the best work of my life is my life.
Wag na oh.
I don't wanna be a savior on the internet. I hope that you can forget. Eventually those words will be true.
Hi guys, update.
And I hope
Stop
you say
raining.
I'm so proud of you.
It's still raining ulit.
So proud of you.
Tara, tara, tara. Nag-ML kasi.
Kasama natin.
Kami na, frontliners.
Oh,
Aray!
ay sorry.
Napak ako ng...
Teka na.
Tara.
Ay, tanga.
Op,
I don't wanna be another savior on the
Go.
internet.
Ito yung mahirap sa automatic.
And I think so many things that I trusted you with so that
Pado,
I
pado,
could be
pado.
close to you.
Going on a trip.
I'm learning that my
Pado.
favorite
What happened,
audience for
Bella?
my art is me.
Why are you
The best
crying?
work of my life is my life.
Ano ginagawa nyo?
I don't wanna
Don't
be
take
a
pictures.
savior on the internet. I hope
Sino
that
ba
you
yan?
can forgive me. Eventually those words will be true.
Pado.
And I hope you say
Tawa ka
I'm
na
so
lang.
proud of
Hindi ko rin
you.
gets eh.
So proud of
Professor will fight to me. Ibig sabihin, kakalabanin niya yung professor.
5 kasi
5, right? Kasi tinanong ba,
Eventually those words
what
will be
happened,
true.
Simon? Why are you crying again?
I hope you say
5,
I'm
right?
So proud of you. So proud of you. So proud of you.
Obstacle course.
maghanap.
Someone's been injured, guys.
Ikaw maghanap. Ako
Nakita
maghanap.
natin, meron na.
Pwede nyo na lang i-color.
Hingi ako ng ano? Sa ulan nag-uuna eh. Nadali ko ng ulo.
Why they call it love when you hate it? I'm still in love with my ex and it's just my luck. Wish I didn't care so much, cause me and her don't make sense and it bugs me up. I'm still in love but love sucks. Love sucks. Let me lay you in inside my brain, cause I don't really have the heart to say. Take a look in there, tell me if it's anything you wanna fuck with. Probably not, honestly you'll never take a place. When I look at you I see your face. Yeah, 6 a.m. we're taking shots in the morning up on the counter. Like oh my god, had a thought when I was faded. Why they call it love when you hate it? I'm still in love with my ex and it's just my luck. Wish I didn't care so much, cause me and her don't make sense and it bugs me up. I'm still in love but love sucks.
Hey guys, we are in Lemon and Olives. I hope you can hear me. So we're having dinner right after our merienda. Walang gutom sa amin.
The music is very, you know, making me cry. Diba, dalawa kami naiiyak dito.
Naisip na si Lolo.
Crying. gives a different vibe.
Yeah.
Just feels cozy. But this is more like
Di ka nang ata naririnig.
if you can't hear me, just put subtitle over here.
So, nag-order kami ng one dish lang kasi we're so full. But Lara and Dean are gonna come. Yeah, vibes are great. We're gonna order dessert later. Hey guys, we're eating. Maanghang. Hey guys, andito na si Lara and Dean. Say hi to our vlog. Hi. Hi! We're in Baguio together! Parang wala na lang sa amin na...
Nasa Baguio kayo?
Hindi tayo.
Na magkakasama tayo? Oo. Parang lagi tayo magkasama. Woo! Ikaw at ako. Free game lang to, free game.
Leaving Baguio.
Hi guys! We are going home.
Nagugutom na.
Bye Baguio.
Bye bye Baguio. See you again.